It's the time to take the right decision for a victory that beckons you. Analyze all the elements that influence your struggle for victory. In the world of competition, we are popularly known as IAMR. We have equipped ourselves with all the elements that ensure your victory. Enjoy the joy of learning and earning. We have been successfully offering a host of courses. IAMR is recognized by Ministry of HRD, Government of India and approved by AICTE. It is also approved by All India Management Association. Located on the Delhi-Meerut Road, the institute is well connected to Delhi and other major locations. It's standing tall with prominence at 9th milestone Duhai, Ghaziabad, in the National Capital Region.
As a student, I feel that I have chosen the right college which provides the platform for a bright future. During this program, I have attended various national seminars and participated in various international conferences where I got interactions with eminent business personalities. During this program, I have got various industrial exposures, educational tours and industrial visits. IAMR is from one of the leading institutions of NCR which provides a real picture of corporate. As a student, I feel that I have selected the best college which provides a platform for a bright future. Yes, I truly enjoy the joy of learning and earning.
The education system in my college is really excellent. Here we get the opportunity to grow ourselves, meet the future corporate world. Here, study is not a stress, it's a stress buster. We learn things in a friendly way. And the faculty out here is really excellent. They are immensely talented and they teach you things in a friendly manner so that when we pass out from here and when we face the corporate world, we'll face them boldly. After spending 2 years in this college, I feel and I'm proud of my decision of choosing IAMR as my institute. I truly enjoy the joy of learning and earning.
In the classrooms, students enjoy top-class facilities that motivate them for studies. All the classrooms are equipped with audio-visual aids which transform learning into a pleasurable experience. The facilities can compete with any world-class institute. In order to give international exposure to our students, we also conduct Cambridge University examinations. We are technically ahead of many other institutes. We understand the significance of technology in the field of education. Cutting-edge technologies enable our students to connect with the world and get international exposure.
Welcome to our world.
Technical experts are always there in our institute to empower the students to run ahead of competition and always be the winner. In the years ahead, we have plans to introduce newer courses to equip the students with knowledge and skills so that they can face any challenge in their career. IAMR. Enjoy the joy of learning and earning.